unbox this high-speed twin turbine leaf blower that was actually sent to me to do a review. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First, the battery does come in a box by itself. This is what the battery looks like. It does have a 1 hour fast charger, so that is pretty good. It comes with its battery charger, so you can go ahead and plug this into the wall. All you have to do is simply slide the battery onto this charger. Once it connects, go ahead and plug that in, and then you are going to see a light right here. Once it turns green, you know that it is fully charged. It's going to tell you how many bars, 1, 2, or 3, so that you know that it's fully charged. You can simply press on this button right here to basically release the battery from the battery charger. It comes with 3 different nozzles, so this is sort of a flat nozzle that you can go ahead and use. Great for leaves, debris, and other items. This is sort of a concentrated nozzle, and then this is sort of a bent one. So it's perfect for debris and leaves in high areas. This is the extension tube, so you can use this if you want some length onto it. So you can go ahead and attach this onto the actual main part, and then attach the nozzles if you do want to have an extension. So this is the handheld pod. This is where the battery is going to simply slide on. This handle is actually pretty nice. It's very comfortable, ergonomic to hold, and right on the top right here is where you're going to see the on and off together with the 3 power modes. You have 3 different levels. Now with this part right here, you can go ahead and add this extension. You're going to see sort of like a bump right here, and what that is anytime you slide this in, you want to go ahead and turn it, and that's going to lock it into place. So as you can see, it is now locked, and you can go ahead and use it. Now you don't have to use the extension onto this. You can just go ahead and use one of these. So it's up to you if you need the extension or not. What is really cool about this is that it has an angle that you can go ahead and twist. So you can actually twist this depending on the angle you need. So as you can see, it is not straight anymore. You can go ahead and twist it to get a specific angle you need. So it does rotate, and that makes it really handy to use. See how powerful it is. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the battery on, press it on. So as you can see, it is super powerful. The highest one I will definitely use outside, but the first one I could probably clean like a desk on the inside. Level I could probably, as you can see, I blowed my hair, but as you can see, I could probably clean my desk or any area on the inside, and then the most powerful one I could use on the outside. But this is the very nice, portable, easy to use leaf blower or dust blower or snow blower.